Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Super Greens powder. To start, understand that Super Greens powder is a powerful blend of nutrient-dense ingredients like spirulina, chlorella, and various grasses. It's designed to supplement your diet with a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Begin by reading the product label for specific serving suggestions, as these can vary. Most often, 1 scoop, which is about 5 to 10 grams, is a good starting point for daily use. Now, let's talk about mixing. The simplest method is to combine 1 scoop of powder with 8 to 12 ounces of cold water or your favorite juice. For a smoother texture and to enhance the taste, consider blending it into a fruit smoothie with ingredients like bananas or berries. You can also get creative by stirring it into your morning oatmeal, a bowl of yogurt, or even incorporating it into homemade salad dressings. Experiment to find what works best for your palate. For optimal benefits, aim to consume your Super Greens powder daily. Many people find that taking it in the morning, perhaps with breakfast, provides a great energy boost to start their day. This consistent intake helps ensure your body receives a steady supply of vital nutrients. While it's generally safe to take any time, some blends contain ingredients that might be stimulating, so avoiding consumption right before bed is a good idea for a restful night's sleep. To maximize the benefits of your Super Greens powder, proper storage is key. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to preserve its nutritional integrity. Always opt for a high-quality product from a reputable brand, ensuring it has a clear ingredient list and minimal fillers. If you have any existing health conditions, are pregnant, or are taking medications, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.